All right, 1.97 from your homework. Sunscreen is 2.5% silicate. If a tube contains 3.4 ounces of sunscreen, how many kilograms of benzyl silicate are needed to make 305 tubes? Well, we have lots of numbers. Let's see if we can identify any of them as conversion factors. First, we have a percent. Percents can always be thought of, remember, as part per whole. So I've got 2.5 parts BS for 100 parts of sunscreen. Then, this one is hidden. A tube contains 3.40 ounces of sunscreen. So I have a relationship there that tells me one tube equals 3.40 ounces of sunscreen. That leaves me only one number to start my line with. That's not a unit conversion. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start my line with that 305 tubes. Then I'm going to come up with a ratio that lets me get rid of tubes. And the only relationship I have with tubes is that one tube is 3.4 ounces of sunscreen. I now have sunscreen and ounces. I don't want ounces, I want kilograms. Well, I have from that conversion chart, that constants. If you go to your homework problem screen and click constants, you'll see they'll dig you up a bunch of conversion charts. And you can find the information that 454 grams equals 1 pound. Well, I know that 16 ounces are equivalent to 1 pound. And from pounds, place pounds where they cancel out, I can go to grams. And from grams, I can go to kilograms, because I know that 10 to the third grams is 1 kilogram. So now I have the unit I want, except that it's in sunscreen. So I have one more thing to do, and that's to get rid of sunscreen. And that's where my percentage comes in. According to that percentage, from up here, I have 100 parts sunscreen. Place sunscreen units where they cancel out. For every 100 parts of sunscreen I have 2.05 units of BS, or benzyl silicate. So now I have what I'm looking for, so I'm going to multiply everything on top and divide through everything on the bottom. So I've got 305 times 3.4, divide by 16, times 454, divide by 1,000, times 2.5, divide by 100. And I get 0.735621875 as my calculator answer. It looks like I've got 3 sig figs there, 3 sig figs there, and ooh, I did not copy it down wrong. If I look there, I've got 3.4. That's really only 2 sig figs. So it should be 2 sig figs, round on the basis of that one. So my answer should be 0.74 kilograms.